Hey guys, so today we're unboxing our first UX release, Hell's Hammer. I was hoping on unboxing Dran's dagger first, but that's not happening today. I haven't received it yet, strangely, so gonna have to just unbox this for now. Anyway, Hell's Hammer comes with the Hell's Hammer layer, very good smash attack layer, and it looks like extremely aggressive, I'm not gonna lie. Then we have 370. And we have, I think it's called Hex, a very good offensive and high burst resistance part. And yeah, I'm not really sure what kind of bait this is going to be, but it should be a good one. Okay, have it open. Nothing much with the paper or anything. We do get a launcher with this, nothing much to say about it. It's just the standard launcher. I'll just open that later. The main thing we want to look at is the bay, Hell's Hammer. So let's check this out. Yeah, looks like a lot like Screw or something from MFB. Very like round, but also very aggressive. And yeah, not sure how this is going to perform quite yet. Next we have 370. I don't really like this part too much because 70 is probably just worse than 60. But yeah, different heights are useful, I guess. Finally we have Hex, I think. And yeah, very wide tip, so this thing's going to be pretty aggressive. And I think it has as many gear tips as Dran Buster's new tip, so it's going to be really fast around the stadium. So here we have, just grab a random bay, Hell's Scythe, pretty average weight, 41 grams, and compared to Hell's Hammer, 42 grams, so this bay is heavier as a whole. Let's check the layer itself. Okay, Hell's Scythe, 33, Hell's Hammer, 33.29, so yeah, very close, slightly heavier. So I don't think the main gimmick about UX bays is that they're heavier. It might just be special in whatever way that is. Anyway, let's just go ahead and test it out. Test it out against Hell's Scythe, its older variant. And then also, since it's supposed to be offensive bay, let's test it out against defense bay like Night Shield. Okay, so Hex is actually extremely defensive. I was not expecting that, but we're going to change trajectories and face it against an offensive bay. So instead, we'll battle it against Phoenix Wing. So Hell's Hammer is actually insanely good with defense. I was not expecting that with the shape of the blade and how flat looking this tip looked in advertisements. I thought I'd be a little bit more aggressive, but yeah, this thing is really defensive. I think it's probably not, none of the parts are probably going to be like super great, but Hex seems okay, and Hell's Hammer seems like it could be really good for attack. But other than that, nothing too special about this release. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.